got hiccups.
It's mommy.
It's like squeaky toy. Good morning! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, guys. Today is Saturday and I said last night I'm gonna vlog today. Cause ayan siya. Gising na gising. Nasa swing niya. Yes! You know, guys, na alam mo na mom ka na talaga if may dumating na package. Tapos ang saya-saya mo. Mean big balls. Hindi na ako na-excite sa mga makeup. Pero, okay pa naman ako mag-makeup. But yeah, alam mo na sa sarili mo na mom ka na kapag naka-receive ka ng mga packages na baby-related. Yeah. So, I bought Mindy. Because I'm really interested to try the teeth, the nipple. Sabi nila, ano daw to, super close sa nipple ng mother. So, yes, that's it. Yun lang namin ngayong umaga, 9:15, breakfast kami. Ang ganda-ganda ng weather. And today is our anniversary. 4 years na kaming kasal ni Neil. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? 4 years na. So, yun yung ganap namin ngayon. Pupunta kami ng Ikea kasi magtitingin kami ng gift for Neil's dad. So, yan. Tinitingnan niya ako. Wait. Do you wanna say hi to the vlog? Do you wanna say hi to them? Huh? Well, obviously, yung pa rin suit namin kasi umaga. Mag-bis kami mamaya. So, I'm just gonna give her a wash today. Bukas na siya papaliguan. Diba, Veronica? Agagagigagagaga. Daddy's gonna make breakfast. Pancakes for breakfast. Yeah. What?
The expensive way.
An expensive way. They're ready to
Right.
ready to cook.
I don't like making it this way. This is cheating way.
I like your shirt.
Yep.
She is not happy. She woke up from her nap. Must be like 2 hours nap. No. 1.5 hour nap. And we're going out. She's wearing this jacket. Look at her. She's so cute. You're so cute, Veronica. Yeah, so we're going to Ikea. Tsaka na. Ano lang, messy hairband. Oh yeah, she's hungry. She woke up from her nap. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we're going to Ikea. It's really cloudy. Got my baby. I got the daddy. Baby. Say hi to the vlog, Veronica. No, she can't because she got a pacifier. We got that.
At the roundabout, continue straight and then turn left.
It's really cloudy. Hi, this seatbelt on this side. So yeah, we're just going to Ikea. Super busy.
It doesn't look busy, but it is busy.
Ridiculous. Someone ruined our day.
Yeah. It'd be really good if they walked to their car right now, because then we can get them on camera.
They parked there. Wrong park because they don't have a pram.
And it was the last pram park left. We got a pram park, but we had to drive around a little bit more. But
Annoying.
yeah. And then they laughed at us because they got a park and we were still driving around. That car. I can zoom in on it. That one. They had a kid. The kid was like 12. Just had meatballs. got salad, meatballs and chips, and Fumes iced tea.
It's only like watermelon and broccoli.
Yeah, I know. They're all like that.
We're just going home. We're going home now. I didn't vlog inside Ikea. It was so busy. But yeah, we're going home. Look at her fingers. Like, F you, Ikea. It's a really terrible day, terrible weather. So we're going home. It is 4 o'clock. We just bought chair for Neil's dad, and what else? I can't remember what else. But that's the biggest thing we bought. I was planning to buy a drawer for Veronica to fit in her closet, but we didn't find one. So that's it, pansit. Then we might order some Chinese food for tonight because it's our anniversary. Yay! 3 years ago we were in Gold Coast, and last year we were in Gold Coast.
Not this time last year.
Oh, not this time last. It was Neil's birthday. But yeah, this year we're celebrating our anniversary with Veronica. So yeah, that's the plan. What's the ambulance? Look at me, it's so pale. It's so cold outside now. They said it's gonna be 21 degrees today, but no, it's not. No, it's not. Definitely not. But yeah, we're going home. We just got home. Oh, not really. Kanina pa mga 4:45 and it's 5 to 5. So Neil bought this one for next weekend kasi may laban ang Port at saka close.
Not happy, Jan.
She's not used to it yet.
No.
Yeah, she's not used to it yet. She will. There you go. She will say it's her anniversary. I'm so yellow, he's so pink.
It's the lighting. I'm watching YouTube.
That's my thumbnail. We're gonna try that we bought from Ikea. Say hi to the vlog. Can you just say hi to them? She was so quiet when we were in Ikea. She didn't cry. She was just like, but that's it. Yeah, she's really good. But I didn't vlog. So many people. It's so annoying. It's really hard vlog and then pushing the pram and then people looking at you. Tired. Now we're gonna order Chinese food.
I like Chinese food.
Oh, that song. And I think Grace and Dan are coming over. Are they coming over?
Yeah, for a little bit later.
Yeah, so Dan messaged Neil if we're planning.
He wanted to get my autograph, so he wanted to come over.
I think Grace missed Veronica. So yes. Yeah, so they're coming over. And I'm so tired, God. Just watching footy.
Dan might need some tissues when he gets here because Port's probably gonna lose.
Well, it's 30-20 and it's third quarter.
It's a very low scoring game.
It is actually. I thought it's first quarter.
Yeah, I know, they're playing like it should be the first quarter.
So we're watching footy and Dan's team is flying tonight, Port Power. So yeah, they're in there. They're watching live. And it was raining, but it's not raining anymore.
It's good.
Feels heavy. I mean, it feels like.
You don't feel like you're holding her.
No. It's really quiet with me.
She's quiet with you. She just ate, that's why.
She's crying with Daddy.
Yeah, because she just had a nappy change. So now I've got to get it captured up in this. And she loves Mummy better. Mummy feeds me more. Baby.
Hey! Race is here. Sabi ko na sana pupunta kay. Hindi na mo yung focus, oh. Tagal.
Focus naman. Hindi ko din makita.
Naiwan yung camera niya eh.
O, iniwan ko. Phone lang ako.
Tapos si Dan tsaka si Nid, kinuha yung food. Nag-order ng Chinese food. So, nanalo sila. Nanalo yung... nanalo yung port. Kaya super happy si Dan.
Sobrang dahil. Kanina nagda-drive, gumagano'n sa skirt. I love port, I love port. Para sa taga. Sabi ko, babe, relax. You won already.
Kasi si Dila sa kwarto, sabi ko, they won. Sabi niya, really?
Oo nga, akala ko nga, dahil magtatalo.
Kasi-
Sabi ko, uwi na tayo. Mga 2 minutes. Sabi ko, wala na to.
Oo nga. Tapos, ilang seconds na lang, siguro mga 15, 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Tapos biglang nag-goal. Sabi ko,
63, 61 ata yung...
sobrang sayo ni Dan. Ay, naku.
Sabi ko, nakita ko si Dan, tumatalo-talo. Joke. Nanood kasi kami sa TV.
Talon talaga siya. Nakakatawa.
So quiet. Nag-dinner na kami lahat-lahat.
Ano na, baby? Trip mo.
Tahimik siya. Yung pala punong-puno ng lawa yung kamay. He's got hiccups.
It's mommy.
It's like squeaky toy. Mouth though.
Do it.
She's gonna close the vlog. Rice and Dan left. So, I'm gonna close the vlog, guys. Thanks so much for watching.
Good night, baby.
Good night, guys. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.